Hello everyone, I'm Sayid from A Technology. I'm gonna show you today how to use the new feature of Canva. Canva introduced the new feature, document feature today, and I'm gonna show you how to use it. Let's start. Now, first of all, you should open up your Canva page, and then you should click on the button Create a Design on the top corner, as you see here. And here you will see doc, or you can just type on it, document. It's really useful. As a first impression, I look at it, and you can create collaborative documents, and you can add your previous designs, embed anything here. It's like Google Documents, maybe you know it. When you click on the button, and you will see the page, it's like a document page, like Microsoft Word or Google Documents. So you are going to start typing something like a heading. Yeah, it's a heading here. And how can you add new blocks here? For example, you can use this plus button in the desktop, as you see, add magic, it says. Yeah, you can add, let's see, you can add designs, your previous designs, you can add here. Heading, as you see, is a heading, subheading. And body, you are going to add some text here. Embed, you are going to embed a link. And a table, a checklist, bulleted list, and numbered list, emojis, pie chart, bar chart, line chart, timer, great, logos, and helps here. Let's see how to add some blocks here, and then we are going to finish the video. Firstly, let's add some text. I just click on the body button. This is my new Canva document. I'm going to show you how to use Canva doc. You can add some other things here. For example, let's add some designs for previous designs. I click on designs. As you see on the screen, my previous designs are loading. Yeah. Actually, you can start new designs here, or you can use the projects section here, and you can add your previous designs as well. For example, I choose this one and add my previous. Yeah, sure. I added my last design here as a picture. It's beautiful. Very quick. Just click on the plus button again, and let's add a subheading here, for example. Yeah, you can add designs, another subheading here. You can embed a page or embed a design. You can say, it's not one. Yeah, that's it. Beautiful. So let's embed something. paste the embed link here. Let me check if we can embed a YouTube video or not. For example, the last video of a technology. I didn't try it before. Yes. You can embed a page or video or design. We can say you can embed your previous designs as well. Like let's say a presentation maybe that you created in your Canva. Great. Again, embed. You can embed a presentation. So how can we interact with this video? For example, I couldn't click on the video. I couldn't start the video here. So what can we do for this? As you see here, you can see double click to interact. If you want to interact the video, you just click on for double. You just click on the play button and you can start the video in the document, as you see. Okay, beautiful. My face is not good like this. Okay, great. So let's check. We can embed a presentation. So it's the same thing. I don't want to show this because it's the same thing. Embedding is the same thing. For example, you can get the embed link of a Canva presentation. Just click on embed and then you just copy and paste the link, like the way that we add this video here. Okay, let's add some other things. Let's add some checklist. You can add check list. It's a title. Yeah. For example, it can be a project checklist or project timeline, project research, or project activities, whatever it is. Yeah, as you see, it's really beautiful because you can add this kind of checklist for your projects or other documents that you create in collaborative way. It looks really beautiful, and you can change the style of your text as well, like this. You can change the color. Let's check. Yeah, useful. Great. A table. Yeah, you can see the rows and columns. For example, yeah, here you can add tables. Let's make it bold. Let's make the bold. Yeah, in the table you can write anything. For example, a name, city, or age, city, or something like this. You just make it bold. Yeah, sure. Great. You can change the style of this table as well, I think, by using this one. Great. It looks beautiful. Yeah, it's not as useful as Google Documents, but it's still useful. Great, you can add some more rows, add row like this, and delete row. As you see, you can add the tables on Canva documents as well. Let's see another. For example, let's add, oh, emojis. That's beautiful. I think you're going to add emojis like this. For example, let's see here. You can add some emojis using this. But another way of adding emojis here, you just type this one and please add or select any emoji here. Great. What else can you add? For pie chart. Beautiful. First, let's type the heading, subheading. You can add pie charts and make it bold with Ctrl+B. And let's design the pie chart, and if you click on the pie chart you can see the items and the series here. For example, let's say maybe we can type some city names and we can just write the rates of the participants, for example from Istanbul, and how many people, or not 80 each is really high, and 40. From Ankara it's 30, and Kayseri it's 15, and Izmir it's 15 again. I think it's okay, so we don't need this item. You can change the style of the pie chart by using this color. You can change the style like this. Oh, great, it looks beautiful right now. If you have any chance, you can upload a CSV document, or you can get some data from Google Sheets. It's really useful as well. And some more thing, I'm wondering about the timer. How can we add timer here? As you see, 5 minutes. Oh, for I don't know how it works. I will just add timer, and at the end of, maybe we can see at the end of it. What is help? Let's add. So it's help. Yeah, you can use this help section to how to use these Canva documents, and it gives some useful information about it. Great. So I think the document is ready. Let's make it bold, and the document is ready. Now, how can we publish it? We can, if you want, we can convert it to presentation by using this convert button. It's creating a presentation by using their default style, or it creates a new brand for it. But I don't know, maybe we can change the height or the width of these blocks. I don't know if it will be good or not. Let's check the preview. It's really hard to open it because I'm recording my screen. It's about CPU. The presentation is doesn't look really good. No. Anyway, I just want to add new collaborative here. For example, you can add plus here, near my profile photograph. As you see, You can add new people here, but just typing the mail address, for example, and you can just send him or her invitation link to edit or comment or view. You can create a collaborative document using this feature as well, or if you don't want to add any collaborative, just leave it blank. You can share your link, document link, like this, anyone with the link, or maybe you can share your documents with your classes. And now anyone can edit or comment or view. I just want them to view only, and I just copy it, and let's see how it looks. So I didn't log into Canva. Look, like a Google document again. Great. You can interact with the video, as you see. You can interact with the you cannot interact with the checklist because you are in the view mode. You cannot have any chance to edit it. That's why you cannot interact with the checklist, maybe. This is our tables and the pie charts. Great. New feature from Canva. Canva really improves itself because everything you can find in Canva, like presentations, videos, how to make videos or designs, logos, anything. And now they introduced the documents here, and I would like to show how to use these documents in Canva. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed, please don't forget to give a like or share my video. Let's see you soon for the next time. Goodbye.